Okay, it's time to go shopping. I'm going to head out to the farmer's market in Immokalee, Florida. Mainly getting oranges. On the way back, I'm going to hit Sprouts Market. I'm getting a lot of celery. So we'll see how it goes. Citrus is looking good. Some coconuts. Looks good, Hiram. Oh man. Mamey Sapotes. Very good. Still got some honey bell oranges. Grapefruits. Hey, Leo. Mucho oranges. Okay, Sprouts Farmers Market. I really like this place. The produce section is awesome. Got some pineapples. All I'm looking for right now is celery. And they are stocked up. That's my main goal here. And this also looks really good though. Lots of carrots, kales, chard. Okay, here's what I picked up. I've got 6 boxes of Valencia juice oranges here. I picked up 3 Mameys. Mamey is an awesome fruit. These here are called star apple. And I had a taste of it there from Hiram. Very nice. He said they're from Guatemala. I don't know, but I like the taste. They were good, nice and sweet. And I picked up 2 other Mameys. Leo, the guy I got the oranges from, gave me this one. My wife and I had a little bit. That one's ripe. These other 2 are not ripe yet. They're hard. So that was the haul for today. And here at Sprouts, I picked up some organic celery, 12 bunches, because I've been doing some celery juice. And in the morning, I'm still dealing with a little bit of skin problems, and I'm trying to overcome that. And I'm doing the pint of celery juice first thing in the morning. So we'll see how that works. So that's the fruit haul for today. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe. Any questions or comments, please let me know. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. All the best. Carb up, baby. Fruit up. Take care.